Hello everybody, welcome to Tamilchef. In this video, we're gonna see a basic gravy preparation which is required for all other gravies prepared in the Indian cuisine. New to our channel, please do consider subscribing. So let's get started with the preparation. We need around 200 grams of sliced tomatoes, roughly sliced tomatoes. And then one number of onion, roughly sliced. Actually, we're gonna boil all the ingredients in the pan. Melon seeds 1 tablespoon and cashew nuts 5 to 6 numbers. You can slightly increase the quantity if you want the richer in taste. And add adequate water to boil. That means you need to add the water until you can fill the level of the ingredients. So now spread and mix evenly and add a tablespoon of oil and cover and cook until the water absorbs completely. It takes minimum of 25 to 30 minutes to cook completely. That means your vegetables get tender and the water, the stock which is inside will completely disappear. So after 30 minutes you can see the vegetables are tender and you cannot find any stock in it. Cool it down and grind into a smooth paste. Later start with 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 number of cinnamon stick and 2 numbers of cardamom. Half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute in a medium to high flame until the raw flavor goes off. We have added these ingredients to give some flavor to the gravy. Now we can add around a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give a nice bright color to the gravy. Reduce the flame and saute for a while. Later we can add the grinded paste into this gravy preparation. Maintain low flame and combine both the mixtures into one. Also, you can use some water from the grinder jar and the bowl. You can rinse it together and give some consistency to the gravy. Remember that this is the basic preparation. We don't want to add any salt in it, not for seasoning. This sugar is added to balance the sourness and enhance the color of the gravy, not for the seasoning purpose. Also, this butter is added to give some richness to the gravy. Also, it gives a smooth texture to the gravy. Now we need to cook this gravy for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure it is covered and cooked in a very low flame. Finally, the gravy turns into a very smooth texture. It releases the oil and fat. That means the gravy is ready. Cool it down and store it in a container for a week under refrigeration so that we can able to use this basic gravy for any other gravy preparation. This is the basic gravy which is used for most of the Indian curry preparation. In coming days, we'll upload a gravy preparation based on this basic gravy. If you find my videos are helpful, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. For your information, we have uploaded more than 100 videos in our channel, so kindly look into our playlist and find any of the recipes which might be helpful for you. This is Chef Naresh signing off. Have a fun cooking.